They say the loudest person in the room is the weakest, but the one who says nothing, the one who stays calm, cold, and unreadable, that's the one you should fear. Here's why cold people are the strongest. Psychologically, emotionally, socially. Section 1 cold means emotionally untouchable. Most people react. Cold people calculate. They don't let anger control them. They don't beg for closure. They don't chase validation. And that makes them dangerous because you can't control someone who doesn't need your approval. They're not heartless. They're disciplined. Section 2, the power of detachment. Cold people understand one thing. Attachment is a weakness. When you're too attached, people can manipulate your emotions. But when you stay detached, calm, observant, strategic, you're immune to manipulation. Detachment gives power, and cold people are always in control. Section 3, they don't reveal their next move. Cold people are unpredictable. They don't explain themselves. They don't overshare. They move in silence and strike when it matters. That unpredictability keeps others on edge. You can't stop what you can't predict. Section 4, they know the game, but don't show it. Most people argue, defend, and try to prove their worth. Cold people don't. They let others talk. They observe. And when they speak, it's calculated. They've already won before you realized you were playing. Section 5, respect is earned in silence. Cold people don't demand respect. They earn it through presence, control, and consistency. They don't have to raise their voice. Their energy says everything. That's why people fear them, even if they never raise a hand. If you're cold, unreadable, and unshaken, you're not broken. You're just stronger than most. Comment I move in silence if you're ready to become untouchable. Subscribe for more videos on cold psychology, emotional mastery, and quiet power. This is your evolution arc. Silence is your weapon. Now use it.